I'm not
back up?
obstructing your traffic
Can you
stop.
please back up, ma'am?
How about that?
Can you back up more, please?
No.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not doing anything
Yes,
but
you are.
filming you. You're giving too many directives.
You can film
Obviously,
me, but
you have a problem.
You guys, Mobile Michelle's Media is a newer channel. She's doing outstanding work. She's linking up with other channels out there as well. You guys are absolutely going to love this video. You're going to want to scurry on over to her channel and subscribe. But if you do, make sure you leave a comment and let her know San Joaquin sent you. I really like going through other folks' comment sections and seeing SJVT sent me, San Joaquin sent me. I love when you guys do that. Anyhow, you guys check out this video. Go subscribe. I'll see you guys over there.
We're here for you. We're here for you to make sure they don't violate your rights, which I believe they already did. Because you weren't doing nothing wrong, and they pulled you over.
Ma'am, I told you once before.
I'm not in your traffic stop. You're over there.
Can you please move away from my traffic stop? Please,
How's that?
Can you back up? No.
That's enough. Yep,
Ma'am.
that's enough.
Okay. I'm going to give you one more warning to back up because right now you are obstructing my traffic stop.
I'm not obstructing your traffic stop.
Can you please back up, ma'am?
How about that?
Can you back up more, please?
No.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not doing anything
Yes,
but
you are.
filming you. You're giving too many directives.
You can film
Obviously,
me, but
you
have
have
to
a
give me my
problem.
space.
Obviously,
so
you have a problem with it
Can
being
you please back up
videotaped.
some?
I did.
Ma'am, can
I
you
just
please-
went from
can you
that
please
line
back up,
to
ma'am?
over here.
Can you please back up?
How
off my
far?
traffic stop? I told
How
you
far?
20 to 40 feet. Y'all can
Alaska?
film. Yes, ma'am. If you want to go to Alaska,
Yeah.
you more than well can.
Go
Can
ahead.
you please
Finish your
back up
job.
20
You
to
need to
40
do your
feet?
job.
No, ma'am. Can you please back
You
up?
just need to do your
you
job.
please-
I'll tell you what.
I appreciate it. Stand on the outside the car. There you go. Now we good.
I am no farther away from his
You good
car
now.
than I
Yes,
was
you're
over
now
there.
behind me over here. Over there.
Yeah, stop giving me directives. Do your fucking job.
Ma'am,
Stop giving me directives.
I will give you direction and you can continue to walk up on my traffic stop.
See, they don't like us here. Because we don't allow them to violate people's rights. Oh, here comes another one. Good thing I got it all on recording. I know how far I was. Good. Good, because this is wrong. They're pulling people over that haven't done anything wrong. Just driving down the road. Look, there's another one. See, that inspection sticker is supposed to have an orange background.
Is officer safety important, folks? Well, it is if you're an officer, but you don't pay yourself. The people pay you. That means public safety, the people's safety. That's heroism. So officer safety, that's just a form of cowardice. I'm sure many of you don't like to hear that, but that's true. Police officers are not even really doing a dangerous job. There are many jobs on the list that are far more dangerous than police officers. In fact, being a police officer is actually safe. There's also an umbrella that protects police officers. It allows them to misbehave. For instance, there's a thing called internal investigations where they investigate themselves. A lot of times they come back and say, we found we did nothing wrong. Also, qualified immunity. As long as the officer says he's doing his job in good faith, he doesn't really have to know the law. And let's not forget about police unions. If you screw up here, you can go work over there. I think it's about time we make police officers start paying for their own insurance. That way, if they're found guilty for violating someone's rights, the lawsuit comes out of their pocket, not the taxpayers. With that being said, you guys go subscribe to Michelle's Mobile Media. Let her know I sent you. I'll see you guys over there.